Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 3:45 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Swedesboro. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Salem County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 3:45 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Swedesboro, 10 miles east of Worthington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Supports: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Glassboro, Portland, Clayton, Woodstown, Silverboro, Monica Hill, Turnersville, Beckett, Pineville, Monmouth, and Blackwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy wing. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Camden, Gloucester, and Salem. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, Camden, Gloucester City, Lakewood, Cherry Hill, Jackson, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, and Deptford. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Out of the house we have. So
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Camden County in southern New Jersey, central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey until 8 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Glassboro, Pennsville, Hickman, Clayton, Salem, Woodstown, Alloway, Jayton, Elmer, Monica Hill, Hancock's Bridge, and Hope Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.